beginning of the class period, the kids come in eager to get a repair.
If you inspect the part that I give you and you find that something is broken, you need to let me know before you start disassembling.
And then I assign a computer for them to repair, and I give them the parts to fix it.
Carly, you're going to be replacing the palm rest. It's a brand new one. Okay. So you know what to do. You're going to transfer the key forward.
These laptops that they're working on now are from Westgate Elementary. I have conveyed to them how important their role is in providing students with functional laptops and helping kids get their laptops repaired in a speedy manner so they could do their work.
I have learned how to fix basically everything on the computer. My favorite part about being in Dell Tech Crew is having a real world experience and possibly getting an IT job.
They're gaining this opportunity as middle schoolers. It's unheard of. You're gaining all these skills, real world knowledge, the certification. So remember what I taught you. You're gonna, yes, good job.
My mom's computer constantly stops working no matter how many computers she gets, and nobody knows how to repair it, and getting it repaired is a lot. So I've been able to help her repair her computers.
That looks right. All right, and there you are. Thank you.
On a daily basis, the tech crew handles hardware from all different schools around the district. So yeah, we handle all of the hardware. We fix screens, MOBOs, palm rests, you name it, we can fix it. In here, they get that hands-on experience. And in here, they're able to go out and work with clients and work with customers. And it's as if they're doing the job.
I've been in it for only this year. I wanted to be a part of it because, I don't know, it just seemed like something fun to do in the middle of the day. This school year I've probably repaired like 50 to 100 computers.
As soon as I get that for you, I'll...
For my career path, I think the certifications and the tests we do and hands-on experience is really the most valuable because this would be like a work environment. I think I might want to do this in a career, definitely, especially with the jobs today. Tech careers are really valuable.
With this, they can say, hey, I started as a freshman. I have 4 years of experience working with devices and working with customers and clients. And I feel like employers really, really want that experience